Good day, students. Welcome to today's lectures on CPT 301, Principles of Crop Protection, Study Section 3. The title of today's topic is Insects as Pests. Introduction. Insects belong to the phylum Arthropods. Arthropods form a major group in the animal kingdom and constitute one of the largest and most important pests of crops, plants. It is a group of animals with segmented bodies and hard skin. This study section will define what pest is and the different categories of pests based on economic threshold of their effects on crops, on feeding patterns, and the basic principles of pest control will also be discussed in this study section. On completion of this study section, you should be able to discuss the life cycle of insect as pests, discuss insect morphology, itemize and describe the insect pest development, discuss the economic importance of insect pests. Definition and classification of insects as pests. Pests are organisms considered harmful or detrimental to humans, its possession, and other human interests. Entomology is the study of insects. Insects belong to the phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, kingdom Animalia. Insects could be further classified based on family, order, genus, and species. Class Insecta could be divided into winged and wingless insects called Pterygota and Apterygota respectively. In class Insecta, the class Insecta possesses 29 orders. Each orders are divided into families. The housefly could be classified as those: phylum Arthropoda, kingdom Animalia, class Insecta, family Musidae, order Diptera, genus Musca, species Domestica. Characteristics of insects. The following are the characteristics of insects: possession of one pair of antennae, possession of one pair of eyes, possession of 3 pairs of legs, possession of breathing tube or trachea, possession of 1 or 2 pairs of wings, possession of maxilla and mandible, body divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. Post-embryonic development is usually by metamorphosis. Classes of arthropod. The following classes under which are other minor divisions are identified as class Insecta. These have 1 pair of antennae, trachea respiration, and 3 pairs of true leg, 3 body regions such as head, thorax, and abdomen. Examples of animals belonging to this class are grasshopper, bees, and beetle. We also have class Arachnida. These are characterized by the possession of 2 body regions, cephalothorax and abdomen, 4 pairs of leg, absence of antennae, and respiration by means of trachea, diffusion through the body walls. Examples of insects in this class are spiders, mites, and ticks. We also have class Chilopoda. Insects in this group have elongated body with 15 or more pairs of legs, with only 1 pair occurring on each body segment. Example of animals in this class, or example of insect in this class, is the centipede. Then we also have class Crustacea. These are usually aquatic, possesses gill, and have 5 or more pairs of legs. Examples include crabs, crayfish, and lobsters. Insect morphology. There are 3 main sections of an insect body, or the 3 main sections of insect bodies are the head, middle section or thorax, and the end section or the abdomen. The head bears the antenna, the mouth part, and the eye. The compound eye are located on either side of the head and composed of hexagonal facets called corneal lenses. Compound eyes are antenna and are diverse. Then we have the thorax. The head is attached to the thorax by means of a membranous region, the neck and cervix, and the inside thorax is divided into 3 segments, namely prothorax, we have the mesothorax, and the metathorax. On each of the segments is a pair of legs in winged insects. Then we talk about the legs. The generalized insect legs consist of 6 segments as follows. We have the basa coxa, we have the trochanter, we have the femur, we have the tibia, we have the tarsus. Then we also have the pretarsus, which usually bears a pair of moving claws. Insect legs although typically ambulatory in function, have been modified extensively in several directions. Then let's talk about insect wing. The wings are borne on either or both the mesothorax and metathorax segments. The wings arise as outgrowth of the integument between the integer and pleural sclerites. There are considerable variation in the wings of insects with respect to size and venation. Function of wings is that the most obvious. The function of wings is for flying. However, wings have been modified also. Insect pest development. Situations that create pest problem could be broadly divided into ecological. Talking about the ecological causes of pest development, this could occur when through the following: 1. Large-scale agriculture provides abundant supply of food. Then we also have planting of highly nutritious crop varieties, planting of yield crops. These factors lead to shorter life cycle, faster development rate, higher pest population. Then also pesticide application. This creates problems such as pollution of soil and environment, pest resurgence, pest resistance to pesticide, development of new risks of deleterious effects on natural enemies. Then we also have the ecological or cultural causes of pest development. These are associated with man exploding population, such as change in cropping system. For example, monocropping. Change in value of crop can make a pest that is of insignificant importance to be highly important. Then a higher price for a previously low price crop makes damage to it more economically. For instance, cassava. Merit of insect pests. They are agents of pollination. They are subject to scientific or biological studies. Sources of drugs. They are predators and parasites. They aerate soil. Food for man and animal. Makers of useful byproducts. Other merits of insects are baits. Insects such as dowsing fly are used in sports fishing as bait. Crop production, agent of decomposition and nutrition recycling, as well as destruction of weeds. Then the merit or disadvantages of insect pests. They reduces value and quality of foods, reduces yield and quantity of output, vectors of diseases, injuries to man and animals, effect of recreation, effect on stored products, household and structural material. Thank you for listening. Hope to see you in the next class. Do have a good day.